Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at What the Huck 2026. We've got Cooper Giroux at the sticks. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Cooper is a teenager. I think might be 17, 18. Phenomenal. He is a Flex Innovations team pilot. Phenomenal flyer. And he's not hucking around. Cooper, give me a nice tight hover right in front of me. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, folks. That's no huck and butter right there. No huck and butter. You got Cooper at the sticks, banging this thing around like it's nobody's business. What more could you ask for? All right, friends. More to come.